Welcome to Midfriend's Kingdom. Today we're going to open this Nerf gun. Now let's get started. First we're going to need to get these scissors right here. Now we're going to have to cut this box. It's not on the side. Wrong way. Got that part cut in. Now we need to get this part here. Down right there. Now I need to get this box out. So I'm going to do this. Got another box here. As you can see, we have this part which looks like this. And then we need to open these parts, which I need the scissors again. I don't know how to put that. That's good. As you can see, we have that. Now we need to do this one. Okay, so we have these. And we have this thing here. So in this ripple part. As you can see, we have these. Now we're gonna have to start building our Nerf gun. Let's open this first. Darts. We have a lot of darts. That's a lot. You see, like we can load it already. And now we need to get this gun ready. Let's use the manual. I don't understand any of this because I already know what to do. Then you see this part, we're gonna have to put this right here. That's all it fits. So we have to put it back in here. It snaps into place again. Now we don't just hit it. Oh, I forgot a part. Let me put this here somehow. Let me do that. You screw it like this with the screwdriver thing. Let me see if we're done now. And you do it more, which is hard. Once you do it, just have it. So this is how the gun looks, and next time we're gonna shoot this video. The video is gonna be tomorrow. Now that ends the video. Bye.